Singapore stops teachers using Zoom app after lewd incidents. Singapore has suspended the use of video conferencing tool Zoom by its teachers, after a very serious incident during a home-based lesson. Singapore closed its schools on Wednesday in response to a rising number of coronavirus cases. But one mother told local media that, during her daughter's geography lesson, obscene images appeared on screen, before two men asked girls to flash. Zoom told BBC the company was deeply upset about the incidents. Zoom recently changed its default settings for home-based learning, and issued a guide for teachers to secure their virtual classrooms. Parents told local media the incidents happened in a geography class for first-year secondary school pupils. About 39 children were in the class when the stream was hacked, before two Caucasian men appeared and made lewd comments. The class was stopped immediately. Home-based learning is supposed to be a safe space, one parent told the Straits Times. I know it's difficult to manage, but as a parent I feel very concerned. It's not known how the hackers gained access. Zoom meetings have 9-digit IDs and can, in theory, be joined by any user if they are not protected by the organizer. One of the incidents involved obscene images appearing on screens and strange men making lewd comments during the streaming of a geography lesson with teenage girls, according to local media reports. Zoom Video Communications Inc. ZM.O has been plagued with safety and privacy concerns about its conferencing app, which has seen a surge in usage as offices and schools around the world shut to try curb coronavirus infections. These are very serious incidents. ZM.O, Ministry of Education, is currently investigating both breaches and will lodge a police report if warranted, said Aaron Lowe of the Ministry's Educational Technology Division, without detailing the incidents. As a precautionary measure, our teachers will suspend their use of Zoom until these security issues are ironed out. Lowe said that they would further advise teachers on security protocols such as requiring secure logins and not sharing the meeting link beyond the students in the class. Taiwan and Germany have already put restrictions on Zoom's use, while Alphabet Inc.'s ZM.O, Google banned the desktop version of Zoom from corporate laptops on Wednesday. The company also faces a class action lawsuit. NL4N2BW3CE. Concerns have grown over its lack of end-to-end encryption of meeting sessions, routing of traffic through China, and Zoom bombing when uninvited guests crash meetings. Subscribe to Kenyan News Today channel for latest updates.